What's up, guys? We're back playing Far Cry 2. Here we go. Which one are we going to? Are we going to the right one? For sure. Right? Yeah? We going to the right one. Okay, so this is what happened today. I have 3 videos of Assassin's Creed. Only 2 of those will be thing. This is it, right? This is journal, use weapon shop, computer to buy a new weapon. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is serious stuff. Who is shooting me? Who dares? Who dares? Who dares? Wait. Shh, 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 shh. No, for real. Who is shooting me? Oh, the guys on the bridge. Come get some. Oh, wait. Sure. Get out of my video. Get out of my video. Okay, obviously. Not stupid. Yeah, what's that? What's this thing gonna have? Yeah. Dude, you suck at aiming. He shot me like 80 times, man. Dude, but I want this. I want it so bad. Who dares? Dude, who shot me? I wanna know. Dude, I have 2 freaking cars. Phew. I rode on a rude awakening, my friend. Where is he? I don't see him. What the heck? Okay. What's in there? What the freak? Dude, he's sniping me, isn't he? No, he's not. He's shooting me with a freaking pistol. What is that? Dude, is that a freaking rifle? Dude, that's a sniper rifle. I will take. Dude, word on that. This is a freaking hunting rifle. Either way, word on that. Ooh, my flamethrower sucker. Is that a freaking boomerang? Dude, that'd be awesome if you could take boomerangs. I need bottled water. Alright, word, let's go. Yellow or red? Let's go red. All day. Blood in your face. Alright, we have to go that way. Park in the car. These guys suck at parking cars. Hello? Oh god. U-turn. Ooh. Slowing down. Alright, good. Let's go. Whoa. Okay, that was close. Alright, that's our destination. Let's hit it. Whoa! Dude! You do not do that! Sorry. I just shot him like hands on. He just came out of the vehicle. Dude. I don't know. Should I take that? I mean, I could just get up here and be like, what's happening? Yeah, I'm sorry, dude. Wait, let's just get it away from my car and blow it up. Let's watch the show from my sniper rifle. Okay. Oh, I got jammed. R. Okay. It's okay. Oh, I have to reload? Yeah. Alright, let's... Dude, freaking awesome. Dude, that's the best weapons ever. Freaking... Okay, let's start it off. Alright, I have a machete. First of all. Freaking pistol, don't know what it's called. Hunting or sniper rifle, and a freaking flamethrower. Amazing. Alright, let's go. Wait, can I just go? Can I, like, easy access this? Is there ability to do that? No, probably not. But, who dares? Dude, who freaking dares? Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, it's okay, it's okay, hey, it's okay, dang, I mean, it dropped. What do you got? What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? Freaking suck. Is he alive? What? Dude, burn, baby. Oh my god. This is force fire. Yes, dude. It spreads like freaking awesome sauce. I'm just kidding. I don't know what that is. Wait a minute. Holy. Wait a minute. Whoa. The fire better not get to my thing. Hope you like that, baby. Dude, they're not gonna mess with someone with a flamethrower. I'm just gonna tell you right now. Sorry, Oak. It was for your own good. Dude, you don't mess with someone with a flamethrower. That's what happens. If you mess with someone with a flamethrower, you get screwed. Like, completely. Okay, should I turn around? Like, cause that looks like it's going that way. Let's just turn around. Dude, look at that. That was my only threat. Freaking burn a place. We did so awesome that day. Alright, let's see. We can turn that way and then try and go and... No, you see, I'm not satisfied. I want that car to blow up. I so do want that car to blow up. Come on, dude. Freaking explode. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Okay, reload. Do I have any bullets? I don't. You should just throw a Molotov at him. How do you throw a Molotov? How do you... Whoa! It just explodes out of nowhere. Okay. Hey, guys. Okay, I've decided something. Oh, crap. Wait, you... Yeah, okay. I decided... Whoa. I decided something that... Alright. Oh, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to record 3 of Far Cry because I felt that I didn't give you guys as much as I wanted to give you on Assassin's Creed, because all it was like a bunch of cutscenes and other things. I think I should go all the way. Do I actually need gas? Is that a priority in this game? Hope not. I'm gonna get screwed. But yeah. So, we gotta find a way to go over there. So, I think I have to cross this way. Yeah, there we go. Somehow. Some way to get there. Dude, if anyone stops me, I just shoot him down. Dude, straight just like this, dude. I just get my car back. One. Then just do this, dude. I freaking stop the car, get out, get in the back, and just like, what'd you say? You know? That's how it is. Or just snipe them from my windshield or something. Now it looks classy. Now there's a bullet through it. Incredible. Anyway. So we're going the right way.